I woke up feeling a little less inspired or excited about going on my walk and facing the day. And nothing happened. It's just sometimes there's an ebb and flow to our energies. And as I was getting ready to walk out the door for my walk this morning, the crystal that came, well, attracted my attention energetically is one of my elestial bahia amethyst points. And I thought, yeah, okay, violet flame. It's a violet flame crystal, meaning I can tap into Saint Germain's energy as well as Archangel Tahadial, and I'm just getting this right now as I'm sharing this with you to help me not only raise my inner vibration and clear my mind, but to burn off any and all unwanted energies. Amethyst is amazing for your crown chakra. So, opening the crown chakra means I get to connect with the ascended masters as well as the angels. And I love Saint Germain because he, as an ascended master, he works with manifestation, and it's violet flame alchemy, burning off all the junkalitis, the unwanted negative thoughts, the energies that we might just pick up during our dream time, even if we don't remember the dreams. So holding this beauty while I'm walking is helping to elevate my energy. And I had decided I was going to wait until my walk was done to do this with you, or do this today. And instead, I'm 15 minutes into it, and I'm feeling a little bit better. And honestly, I don't know why people say that. Still, it's a journey because things seem quiet on the surface. And when that happens, it feels like nothing is happening or everything has stopped. And a truth is, I share this with my clients when they feel the same thing, and I'm not pretending I don't ever feel it. I do. Today is one of those days. And what this is telling me and reminding me is that when there are ships, remember in the olden days, and even for sailboats now that don't have motors or don't use them, they hit the doldrums where there is no movement, there's no wind to blow and to fill the sails. Well, it's kind of the same thing. We get to choose how we're going to show up for the day, and I'm choosing to show up even though I just really want to stay under the covers. Well, or maybe just watch Netflix all day. That's not going to happen. And what's really happening below the surface when there is no wind or visible movement is that the current below the surface is still working. It's still moving things. It's just silently. And so when the conscious mind, when our physical eyes don't see results, the kinds of results immediately, yesterday, last week, right now, it goes, well, what's happening? Nothing's happening. And the negative self-sabotage talk starts. So I'm really glad that this beauty, the elestial bahia elestial, however you want to say it, amethyst, wanted to come with me and attracted me to it today. Oh gosh. I am going to go to my favorite coffee shop in a few hours and do some work just to change the atmosphere and get out of the usual routine. I'm even walking a different path today. So, if this story, this sharing, spoke to you, and Elestial Bahia Amethyst spoke to you, come visit my crystal boutique, Angel Lady Crystals Boutique. In the description, I'm even fumbling over my words, but you know what? You show up how you are, right? And this is what's happening today. So the description is down below. Have an amazing day, beautiful soul.